Do you know that when I do interviews for films, I don't even bring questions? You're more prepared than I am.
Wow.
Nicely done.
Thank you. Okay. Hi, I'm Sawyer, and I'm here with...
David Freed, director.
And I'm from the Santa Barbara Middle School Teen Press. And how did you find the story, and what inspired you to direct and write this film?
I'm a documentary filmmaker, so there's no writing involved. But this was brought to me by the team, by the subject of the film, who experienced a really terrible loss, and he decided to try and make some good out of it. And when I met him, I was instantly attracted to his mission, and I believed that he could do something good, and I wanted to make a film for him, to help him with his loss and to help him through just a really bad situation, you know. And I wanted to learn more along the way too, you know. So I was inspired to do this in a way that we could reach the greatest number of people, of course. And I hope that you pass along some information that you got from this film too. But mostly it's about Jay. This is Jay's film.
And if you could give one homework assignment to teachers, students, and parents, what would it be?
One homework assignment. I hate homework, but if I have to do homework based on this film, based on the mission of this film, I would say the homework would be to connect with somebody that you haven't connected with in a while. You know, check in, see how they're doing.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. All right.